Welcome, I am Francisco, and today we will be making a simple amulet for protection. When I feel something starts to crawl, I hold my clear quartz. It will clear away any of these energies. You can do this with other crystals, but clear quartz represents peace of mind and mental clarity. And that's important to stay protected, to be aware. So we will need a clear quartz for clearing and cleansing, and because it enhances mental clarity, a leaf that I collected in the moonlight and I let it dry for a couple of days. 2 candles, 1 black, 1 white, for purification and protection, and I have a little bag that will contain my amulet. So how to make the simple amulet for a protection shield? The first step is to activate the quartz. Hold it in your hands for 5 minutes or 10 minutes and use it to connect with the quartz. You can follow a guided meditation for this, but basically what you're doing is absorbing energy from the source through your head chakra, your crown chakra. It is traveling down your spine, your shoulders, arms into the quartz. The next step is to ask for protection. As I wrap this stone in the leaf, I say a prayer. I ask my ancestors for protection. I thank you for protecting me, my family, and my home. Thank you for guiding me on my path, for allowing me to be of service in alignment with my true will. I place it in the bag, I close it, and then I will keep with me. I can carry it in my pocket, in a bag, in a purse. When I notice changes in my state of mind, I will hold it and I will know that I am protected. The thoughts are being cleared, the emotions are being cleared, and that's the best shield against negative energy. For the second part, I will bless this amulet. You also need some incense, some water, and salt. Air is the higher element that connects the higher realm and the universe and spirit. Fire will destroy any lingering or stagnant energies. Water cleanses and polishes the surfaces, and earth connects it to our roots and to our inner desires. You can say a prayer. You can find these prayers at spellsday.com. Your spirit guides, your ancestors are with you. Have a wonderful day. Blessed be.